Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to enable the OTG connection on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to find the OTG option, so let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on this switcher. From now on the OTG connection is turned on, you can use it. If you want to turn it off, of course you have to go back to this section and tap on the switcher, or you can wait 10 minutes, because if the OTG option is not in use, it will be automatically turned off after 10 minutes of inactivity, so it's up to you how you want to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.